Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Honish. Today I'm going to talk about humanoid robot called ENI3 JB2, which was donated by Office Solution Company to our Halle Astana school to teach kids how to program this robot with ROS2 programming language to do to robotics. To control a robot, we use the mobile application. We can program this robot with Python and C++. The robot will be important not only for robotics department, but also across Sci-Tech Hub in terms of understanding science better and making collaborations towards AI.
So the future of education is assuring that our pupils not only know how to work with robots, understand and use AI, but make sure they are the masters of this technology.